How to choose the right USB solar panel, a beginner's guide. I'm Cassie, and today I will be walking you through how to choose the perfect solar panel that fits your needs, especially if you are an outdoor enthusiast looking for an efficient and convenient charging solution.
What's the USB solar panel?
USB solar panel is a portable device that charges your devices through solar energy and is widely used in camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. It absorbs and converts solar energy into electricity to provide charging for devices such as cell phones and iPads. Today, we will focus on how to pick the right solar panel.
What are the key factors in choosing solar panels?
First, when choosing a solar panel, we need to consider the output power. The higher the power, the faster the charging. A solar panel with higher power generates more electricity, which shortens charging time. For example, a 10 watts panel will charge your phone faster than a 5 watts panel. Another crucial factor to consider is the efficiency of the solar panel. The efficiency of a solar panel determines how well it can absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. It's important to choose a panel with high conversion efficiency, as this will ensure faster charging even when the sunlight isn't very strong. Now that we covered power, efficiency, and another important factor is portability. For outdoor activities, portability is key. You can opt for foldable and lightweight solar panels that are easy to carry and store. Some solar panels even come with hooks, allowing you to hang it on your backpack so they can charge automatically as you walk. To summarize, if you are looking for a solar panel that's both efficient and capable for charging many devices, the 30 watt solar panel is an excellent choice. With a total power of 30 watts, it can charge several devices at the same time. As you can see, it's in total 3 10 watts panels, which not only provide ample power but also ensure long-lasting outdoor use.
What are the output types of USB solar panels?
In addition to power, choosing a right output interface is also important. USB-A, USB-C, and DC-55 and 21 are the three most common output types, and each interface has its own unique application scenario. USB-A, a traditional rectangle interface, usually larger, commonly used for USB ports on computers, TVs, chargers, and other devices. Depending on the version of USB, such as USB 2.0, 3.0, 3.1, its speed range from 280 megabits to 10 gigabits. Typically provides up to 5 volts, 2.5 ampere, and is suitable for powering small devices. Widely used in older devices and still the standard port for many devices. USB-C, newer, symmetrical interface, oval in shape, supports reverse insertion, smaller in size, gradually replacing USB-A in many devices. Due to its support for higher standards, such as USB 3.1, 3.2, Thunderbolt 3 or 4, its data transfer speeds are typically higher, up to 14 gigabits. Supports higher voltage and currents, such as 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 20 volts, and supports the USB power delivery protocol, which enables faster charging of high-power devices. More and more new devices, for example smartphones, laptops, iPads, are adopting USB-C as the primary port due to its support for higher speeds and great power supply capabilities. DC-55 and 21 is a kind of standard interface widely used in DC power supply system. Its nomenclature, DC stands for direct current. 55 and 21 represents outer diameter of 5.5 millimeters, the inner diameter of 2.1 millimeters. Commonly used in a variety of low-power electronic products power connection, such as routers, cameras, LED light strips, and other small electronic devices.
How to choose USB solar panels for different scenarios.
If you are planning on camping or going on a long time trip, you will need solar panels that can provide stable charging under strong light. The 30-watt solar panels' high power and efficiency ensure that even on demanding conditions, it can continuously supply power, making it perfect for extended camping trips and travel. If your goal is emergency charging, choosing a compact and lightweight solar panel that can quickly provide power to devices like smartphones is a great option. The 30-watt solar panel, with its high power and output, can even maintain a high charging efficiency in less ideal conditions, such as on cloudy days.
What are the common misconceptions and precautions?
When choosing a solar panel, bigger isn't always better. It's more important to pick one that fits your needs. For instance, if you just need to charge your phones, a panel with moderate power will work. Also, while solar panels are most efficient in direct sunlight, they can still charge on cloudy or shady days. To summarize, when choosing a USB solar panel, focus on output power, portability, and efficiency. If you need a solar panel that's suitable for a wide range of devices with great power and many interfaces, the 30-watt solar panel will be a good choice. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this type of content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, where we will be posting more knowledge and content about solar products on a regular basis. See you next time!